Hello, I'm Dr. Jack Kennedy, Director of Cobb and Douglas Public Health. I'd like to talk to you about an important issue that is affecting our youth at alarming rates. Underage drinking has a severe impact on public health and on our entire healthcare system. But more importantly, it impacts the health and well-being of our children. In fact, underage drinking is a major contributor to the top 3 causes of preventable death for our youth: murder, suicide, and car crashes. And it also contributes to other injuries and poor health outcomes. This is a trend we simply have to change. I'm asking for your help and encouraging you to support our Cobb Alcohol Task Force. Here are a few ways you can show your support. First, advocate community changes that support healthy youth development and prevent underage drinking. Talk to your children often about their choices regarding the use of alcohol and other drugs. Don't conform to community norms that allow youth access to alcohol before age 21. And ask your healthcare provider to talk with your children about underage drinking during medical visits. You play an extremely important role in the lives of our children. Please join us in this effort. Thank you.